Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling something super relevant for 2025. How to send USDC from Exmo to your Tangem wallet. With the crypto world evolving rapidly, secure transfers like this are essential for protecting your assets. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through this step by step in a simple, straightforward way. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your Exmo account set up and verified. Log in to your Exmo dashboard using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets section and locate your USDC balance. This is where all the magic starts. Next, open your Tangem Wallet app on your device. If you haven't already, generate or import your USDC address. It's usually found under the Receive or Deposit option. Double-check that you're using the correct network, like Ethereum or Solana, depending on what your Tangem supports in 2025. Copy this address carefully to avoid any errors. Now, head back to Exmo. Go to the Withdrawal section, select USDC as the asset, and paste the Tangem wallet address into the designated field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but remember to leave room for network fees, which might be dynamic in 2025 due to advanced blockchain tech. Review the details, transaction fee, estimated time, and all, to ensure everything looks good. Hit the Confirm button and follow any additional security steps, like two-factor authentication, which is crucial for safeguarding your funds. Once submitted, you'll get a transaction ID. Now, it's time to wait. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's complete, check your Tangem wallet to confirm the USDC has arrived. Congrats! You've just made a secure transfer. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets like Tangem for storage and never share your private keys. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there in the cryptoverse.